Good morning, YouTubers. G-String Wonder here. I want to show you how I made a quick and dirty, very inexpensive, but very functional, and I think a pretty good sounding piezo pickup to plug into my guitar amp and to be able to play at greatly amplified levels cylinder recordings. I'm going to be using my Dictaphone Model 10. So this is a finished product. I'll set that aside. And here are all the components. Got a $1.87 Walmart funnel. I cut it, the end of it off about 3 inches or so that I could fit my 1" by 1/2 inch reducer and make a nice slightly shortened funnel or a horn speaking tube kind of thing. All right, so I cut off the end of the funnel, and in doing so I had this left over. I cut off about 1 inch of the tip of the funnel and used crazy glue. I would recommend epoxy, but I use crazy glue here to make it quick. Take a 1 inch or 1/2 inch copper coupling. That's a $1 item right there. All right, and glue that to the end. Got a piezo pickup here. I bought these, I think they're about 12 for $10 on eBay. Very cheap. That's going to go down inside the funnel. I'm going to glue that in. There are a couple of little tabs molded into the very end of the funnel on the inside. Very cool. Just happen to be the perfect size for the little transducer to rest against. So that's real cool. Also need a 1/4 inch phono jack, and I'm going to solder this to the jack. Make sure I'm doing the right place here. This is where red's going to go. Very nice. This is where my black's going to go. Into the ground. Great. All right, so I now have a pickup soldered to my 1/4 inch phono jack. I have a 1 inch PVC cap that I pre-drilled with a small guide hole, and I'm going to drill out the hole to fit the phono jack. Let's go ahead and do that. You probably can't see it, but you'll hear it. All right, mission accomplished. I now have a hole. I think that's the right size. No, it's too small. Huh. Well, okay, I'm going to put it on pause, and I'm going to get the right size drill bit. Ta-da! Okay, I've drilled the correct size hole in the end of the cap. I'm going to install my jack, a washer, and a nut. Tighten it down. Excellent. All right, cool. So now I've got a phono jack in there. I'm going to throw my pickup inside the funnel, even it out, have it rest against those tabs. Cool. And let it couple of drops of crazy glue go in there. Okay, the cool thing about this crazy glue and the plastic, I can already see that the plastic is beginning to melt a little bit. So that's probably going to hold the pickup in quite nicely. Sorry guys, real time. I don't have good editing software, so you're seeing the good, the bad, and the ugly of this. I always end up getting more crazy glue on my fingers than I do the thing that I'm gluing. But pickup's in there. I'm going to press fit the cap onto the funnel. Then I now have a finished Piezo pickup. Let's try it out. There you can see my little amplifier. Probably the most horrible sounding amplifier I've ever had. But anyway, here's my pickup. Let's plug it in. I bought this cylinder on eBay, and it already had a short recording. So I'm just going to go ahead and tell you what. Ooh, see how loud that is? It works. Let's plug it in. Let's turn the machine on. Let's plug the machine in. The cylinder going and play.
7 years ago, I fought for the front force on this continent. A new nation conceived of liberty and dedicated to the proposition that all men are created equal. Now we're engaged in the great civil war, especially whether that nation or any other nation so conceives itself dedicated to long shore. We have come to a great battlefield of that war, and have come to dedicate a portion of that field as a final resting place of those who here gave their lives to sacrifice that that nation might rest, might rest, might rest, might rest, might rest.
There you have it. Total cost of the pickup: $1 for the coupling, $1.87 for the funnel, $1 for the cap, the equivalent of about $1 for the pickup itself, and another $1 for the jack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6. Hope this helps. Give it a try.